Hello everyone. In this video we will guide you through Querix Package Manager command line tool for Linux platforms. As a prerequisite, you need to have Git and Git LFS installed in your system. Now let us start Querix Package Manager command line tool. This is the syntax which is used in the tool. The command line supports a number of commands like install, to install Lycia or its components, update, to update the current Lycia setup, remove, to uninstall Lycia or its components, list, to display the installed components, clean, to clean up redundant and orphaned files, and reset, to reset to the default state. As well, the following presets and options are available. Here is the list of components. Presets are all components, installed components, development option, and runtime server. Let us try to install Lycia. Type install all command in the command line and installation process begins. As you can see, the application has been successfully installed and you can see its version. Now let us use the update command to update Lycia. Again, you have to type update command in the command line and the update process begins. The update is successfully complete and you can check the new version of the application. And now let us use remove qpm command to uninstall Lycia. You need to type remove command in the command line, confirm your action, and now you see that the application has been successfully uninstalled. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.